Not bad, not bad. Once we have taken care of the unauthenticated error, next I want to set up another instance method, basically the one that's going to be on our user document, and the name is going to be compare password. Again, let me go back to my controller and showcase that. We'll check for the user. If the user doesn't exist, then we throw invalid credentials, basically 401. But then if the user exists with such email, then I also want to compare the password. So the password that is coming in with the password that is in my database. And we'll do that using the instance method by the name of compare password. Now, inside of the function body, we'll use bcrypt compare, which returns a promise. That's why we go here with await. And then we set up here async. Notice how this one is looking for candidate password. Again, I know I already said this 20,000 times, but this is the one available in our request body. So this is coming in with a request, and we're checking against the one that we have in our database. Now, one important thing to mention, there's no unhashing going on. Hashing is a one-way street. Once we hash the password stored in the database, that's how it's going to sit there. What's happening here under the hood, bcrypt.js has the method compare, where we provide the password, and then essentially it sets up that hash value again and compares whether they match. That's the overall idea. And in order to set everything up, we need to go to a user. Let's keep on moving. And then all the way here after the create JWT, I also want to set up my function, my instance method by the name of compare password. So let's get cracking. We're going to go with user schema. Then we're looking for methods. More specifically, let's come up with a name. And in my case, like I keep saying, it's going to be compare password, but you can always go with vegan food truck. I mean, the functionality is going to be exactly the same. And then in here, let's go for candidate password. And then instead of the function body, I'm going to go with const is match is equal to await. So this returns a promise. And then let's go with our bcrypt. Then the method name is compare. And then we want to pass in the candidate password and then this dot password. And once we have all of this in place, let's go with return and is match. So if this is true, that means that passwords match. So that means that we can send back the token. If not, it's going to be false. And then we throw another 401 error. So that's how we can set up compare password as a instance method